Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Is the samadhi, which is the perfection of this eightfold yoga system, the same as the samadhi of bhakti yoga?
Samadhi means to absorb the mind with Vishnu. That is samadhi. So if you absorb your mind with Krishna, then it is samadhi. Any inquiry? Leela. All right.
Swamiji, is that the thing that when if you eat too much, you will pay? How about the devotee? How about when they eat too much prasad?
You want to eat more?
I just want to know how.
You think you are eating more? So you can eat more. Yes, you can eat more. Yes, it is medical advice that there are two kinds of mistakes in eating: overeating and undereating. So, undereating mistake for old man is very good, and overeating mistake for boys very good. So you can overeat. I cannot.
How about small?
But he cannot. You can. You can eat as much as you like. Free, fast. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,